So hi guys, my name is Ashish Malik and this is our first video for our channel Legit Hem 101. In this channel हम लोग बहुत सारी information exchange करने वाले हैं related to health, related to organic support or related to natural health supplement, and the most important thing which is cannabis, ganja aka mal, or you can even say bhang. So yeah, now we're gonna be knowing a lot of things about this because there are many countries are been taking benefits out of it. There are many countries which has banned it completely, as well as India. Especially when it comes to India has opened the gates for few things in terms of health, for better health for our Indian brother and sisters around. So and especially when this land, Indian land, is a country where we have a lot of farmers. It's a most cultivating land, also a land of fishermen, you can say. However, we are specifically gonna be talking about cannabis, which is known as ganja, bhang, as I've told you already. So the very first thing which we're gonna be clearing out is anything which you overdo it, it will always harm you, no matter how safe is that. So just like that, just like any other medicine, just like any other alcohol, just like any other beer, if you overdo it, you are doing it wrong. So what is cannabis? What is ganja? What is bhang? We all need to know about it. The first world countries are basically taking the benefits out of it. जहाँ पर हमारी कंट्री भी लेने की बेनिफिट लेने की कोशिश कर रही है, बट प्रॉब्लम ये हो रहा है कि हम लोगों के पास उतनी इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है. हम चाहकर भी वो चीज़ पा नहीं पा रहे क्योंकि हमको पता नहीं है कहाँ मिलेगा हमें. एंड इट इज़ बिन वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर पीपल अराउंड. लोग जो एंजाइटी से गो थ्रू हो रहे हैं, लोग जो डिप्रेशन से गो थ्रू हो रहे हैं, स्पेशली दिस लॉकडाउन. ये लॉकडाउन के वजह से बहुत सारे लोगों को एंजाइटी हाई हो गई थी, बहुत सारे लोगों को डिप्रेशन में चले गए थे. एंड लॉकडाउन इज जस्ट वन रीजन, बट देयर इज अ लॉट मोर देन दैट. सो when it comes to cannabis, we need to open our mind, open our heart, and welcome something new which has already been there with us for ages, from ancient time. You need to welcome them with both of your open arms. Yeah. So what can be done here? In this Legit Hem 101, we gonna be showing you and letting you know many things about cannabis. If you do have any questions, you can definitely put down your questions on the comment box so that we can actually help you better. Yeah, because cannabis is something which is growing very fast. Not in the black market, but in a medical purpose reasons. And हाँ, उसके अलावा भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, पर ये एक वीडियो उसके लिए इनाफ नहीं होगा. This one video is not gonna be enough, because गांजा को आपने सिर्फ चिलम में देखा होगा, या आपने जॉइंट बनते हुए देखा होगा, या तो आपने बॉन्ग बनते हुए देखा होगा, आपने 21 जंप स्ट्रीट के मूवी में देखा होगा, या ब्लो मूवी में देखा होगा, बट आपने कभी मेडिसिनल गांजा कभी देखा नहीं होगा, या उसका मेडिसिनल यूज़ नहीं देखा होगा. जिसके लिए हमारे इंडिया में बहुत सारी लाइक देर आर फ्यू इंस्टीट्यूशंस जो इस चीज़ को प्रमोट करने के पीछे पड़े हैं. देर आर फ्यू पीपल हु आर ट्राइंग देयर बेस्ट टू प्रमोट दिस. And also I'm trying to get in touch with with businesses who are into cannabis industry, so that I can help people out to reach out to the right kind of products which they are actually looking for and which actually they can get help from. So let's wait for the next video and drop down your questions, your comments. And yes, I know that we don't have a proper setup kind of a thingy for our videos, but I thought this creating this video and starting this channel was in my head from a very long time, and I thought, let's cut the crap and let's get this thing started. So because I can't just sit and wait things to happen. I have to start it from somewhere. So this is how I started. And so in the next videos onwards, I'm gonna show you some products, some benefits of CBD, some benefits of THC, some benefits of cannabis. Yeah, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And I don't know how you really gonna react to this video after this is gonna be all about ganja. So check out on the next videos, and do subscribe to us. And yes, that's all I can say. Take care. Bye.